Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire Dishwasher Latch Assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new latch assembly. The latch assembly contains the handle and the door switches. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if the switches have failed and the dishwasher is not going through the cycle, or the handle is broken and the door is not opening and closing properly. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the two bottom screws that hold the outer door panel on. Once you have the screws out, we're going to hold on to the panel while we close the door. Once you have the door closed, the panel should drop down. You can pull the bottom out. Once you have it free, you can lift it off and set it aside. Once you have the outer panel off, we're going to open up the door a little bit so we can take off the control panel. We're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws. Once you have all the screws out, you want to hold the control panel in the inner door so it doesn't fall apart. We're going to slowly let it close, but not latch. Once you have it all the way closed, you can rotate the control panel down and set it down. Now that we have the control panel out of the way, we have access to the latch assembly. It's right here in the middle of the door on the top. There's 4 wires attached to it, 2 black and 2 white. We're going to take the white ones off on the left first. Use a small flathead screwdriver to help take them off if they're tight. Once you have the white ones off, we can take the 2 black ones off on the right. Then we can use the Torx 25 driver to take out the 2 screws that hold the latch assembly to the inner door panel. As you're taking the last screw out, you want to make sure you hold on to the latch assembly so it doesn't fall. Once you have the screw out, you can get it out of the latch assembly. And we can pull the latch assembly off the door. Here's the old latch assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new latch assembly in, we're going to hook up the wires first. Remember, the white go on the left and the black ones go on the right. Once you have the wires connected, we can use the Torx 25 driver to put in the screws that hold the latch assembly to the inner door panel. We're not going to tighten the first one down. We're going to leave it loose just in case we have to move the latch to line up the screw hole for the second one. Once you have the second screw in, we can tighten down the first one. To put the control panel on, we're just going to open up the door a little bit and lift up on the control panel. Once you have it in place, we can use a Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Once you have all the screws in, we can close the door and put the front panel on. To put the front panel on, we're just going to slide it up underneath the control panel a little bit, not all the way. Then you can push the bottom down so it goes in. Once you have it in, we can lift it up so it goes into the control panel. Then we're going to open up the door, same as when we took the front panel off. We're going to hold it in place. Then we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Once you have the outer panel on, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.